Students, in continuation of our retrosynthetic approach, retrosynthesis, if we are having provide this target molecules, that is what TM target molecules. What is the analysis? What is the analysis of given compound? Such types of the compound is having the two types, as you can say, three functional group there: nitroalkene and cyclic ether. So what is the plan of the synthesis? First, what is the analysis? How it is obtained? This doubly bonded carbon atom, how it is obtained first? If you want to the CC disconnection, then what happen? These types of what cyclic ether, as you can say, cyclic ether is as it is here. The cyclic ether is as it is. This is the group is that oxygen atom. Here oxygen, this one is the oxygen, and we are having this provide this CH, this is what, and this obtain this CHO as a functional group synthetic equivalent, and this is what CH3NO2 nitromethane. So these are the synthetic equivalent. Again we want to disconnection the this is the disconnection approach of these types of the retrosynthesis. What if you want to this is 2CO disconnection, here 2CO disconnection, then what happen? There is types of the synthetic equivalent is acetone and this is the, as we can say, this is the catechol. This types of the compound is known as what? A catechol. This again it is for a CHO as a functional group. So this is what a 2,4 3,4, as you can say 3,4 dihydroxybenzaldehyde. 3,4 dihydroxybenzaldehyde, if you want to what? Again disconnection, the retro disconnection of such types of the reactant, this is how this CHO is obtained from CH3. This is the OH hydroxy group is here, and then hydroxy group is here. So again this is the types of what, sorry, this is one of the derivatives of the catechol is here. This is what a static reactant molecules. So again we will disconnect these types of the reactant. Again the catechol, this catechol, it is again acylation is there, then formation of alkylation is there, and formation of the starting reactant molecules are the 2,4 dihydroxytoluene. So what is the plan of the synthesis? If we are in the starting reactant molecules, what are this 2-hydroxy, this is called as a 2,4, as you can say, these types of what these two, sorry, here is the CH3, here is the CH3. So if we are in, this is the CH3 atoms, this one is the hydroxy group, this one is the CH3. So the first step synthesis, we are using the CrCl2O2 chromic acid in presence of carbon disulfide, then formation of what? This CH3 is converted into the CHO as it is the part of the retards reaction. As you can say, it is known as what? Retards reaction. So what happens? This hydroxy group is as it is, as we told, these types of hydroxy group. Then it is reacted with what? CH3NO2. So this CH3NO2, it is react with the basic condition sodium methoxide. This base is abstract proton from these types of the carbon atom. And it becomes to what? I am writing C double bond OH is here, it becomes to C negative, and this is the NO2. So this it formation of the carbon ion having nature to nucleophilic in nature. So this basic in nature attack on these types of the carbon because of this electrophilic carbon which attack on these types of the carbon. It means that this is nucleophilic, as you can say, nucleophilic addition reaction on what? Carbon hetero multiple bond. Then what happen? There is formation of, after loss of water molecule, then formation of what? CH double bond, and this is the NO2. This hydroxy and hydroxy is what? As it is. Then last step what? We will take this is the carbonyl compound, this is the acetone in presence of acidic condition, then deproduction of this diol, this aromatic hydroxy group, then formation of what? This oxygen, loss of water molecule from here, and then formation of what? This CH2 and this NO2. As you can say, these are the target molecule. So this is our target molecule. This is the retrosynthetic. As you can say, retrosynthesis of given target molecules. This 2CC disconnection formation of this type cyclic ether, CHO is here. Those alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Firstly, you can take this alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds here with these types of the aldol reaction here. This is the nucleophilic addition. As you can say, nucleophilic addition followed by aldol reaction. Or aldol condensation. As you can say, this condensation simple. As you can say, this condensation is takes place as the part of the application of the condensation reaction. It is the part of condensation reaction. Nucleophilic addition followed by condensation, then formation of these types of the target molecules. So this is what retrosynthesis of given target molecule.